There's Blake, looking at his star this morning. It just makes you so happy, doesn't it? You could just look at it all day, right, bud? Give a big smile for Mr. Star. It doesn't even do anything. It has no lights, no batteries, nothing. But it's the funniest thing in the whole world. Like, give a big smile. There you go. Good job. We're gonna see what Mr. Star looks like from down here. Why he's so funny. There he is. That's all he is. But he's so good, right? How about one more big smile for Mr. Star?